The Weather Extreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, May 10th. I'm James Spann, just like summertime today. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Next chance of rain Friday, maybe a few strong storms. Then dry air comes back for the weekend. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Big upper low beginning to lift out of the southwest United States. The core of that thing is over New Mexico, but ridging in place here, and it's a warm day. Everybody in the 80s. Fort Payne 82, Birmingham 87. We'll expect upper 80s again tomorrow, but cooler on Friday because of clouds and showers. Around the nation, we are the warm spot down here in the southeast. In fact, some spots down toward Jacksonville, Florida, Savannah, Georgia are in the lower 90s. But it's nice and cool back in the western states, back in that upper trough. Around the nation, pretty quiet. We note up north there is a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois until 8 o'clock Central Time tonight. And a risk of severe weather from West Texas up through the Great Plains into parts of Illinois and Indiana for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms from northeast Texas over to the coast of North Carolina. Some of the cities involved in that would include Dallas-Fort Worth, Little Rock, Cincinnati. And on day 3, Friday, we have a marginal risk for parts of the southeastern states in Alabama that includes Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Montgomery, and Mobile. The areas in darker green. We'll talk about the specifics here in just a moment. This is the rain for the next 7 days, about 1/2 inch, we figure, and that's going to be Friday and Friday night. Other than that, things look pretty dry to at least the middle part of next week. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. At 500 millibars. The upper low lifting out and opening up across the southern plains. And for us, the ridge still in place, a warm day, a dry day, partly to mostly sunny with upper 80s likely. Now, Friday, the trough begins to affect Alabama with rain moving in at some point during the day. Let's see if we can kind of figure out maybe the timing. Now, the high-res NAM really is not showing that much rain. This is Friday at 2 o'clock. And it's got a few developing showers and thunderstorms, but they're pretty scattered at that point. And then by 7 o'clock, it's got a band of heavier storms well to the south of here, from near Thomasville back up toward Montgomery and Lake Martin, with just a few scattered showers across the northern half of the state. So the models are not particularly clear on the timing of all of this, but I still think the main window for showers and storms about noon until midnight Friday. It will not rain the entire 12 hours. The instability values are pretty high. The peak CAPE on this graphic, which shows about the northern two-thirds of the state, is 3,500 joules per kilogram. But the wind fields are weak, so we don't expect a tornado problem. The main issue, some small hail and gusty winds with heavier storms Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Then Saturday, the system's on by. We are cooler and drier. The high Saturday will be in the mid to upper 70s, the sky becoming mostly sunny. Sunday, we start the day in the 50s. The high will be in the 80s with a good supply of sunshine. Monday, warm and dry, mid-80s. The same thing Tuesday of next week, mostly sunny and warm. And a week from today, another bowling ball out in the western states over Nevada. And down below that, snow for much of Nevada, if that verifies. But for us, we're just warm and dry. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, May 20th. The big trough in the western states just really doesn't want to move that much. And again, if this is right, we're still warm and dry. So really, if you take out the rain event Friday, things look pretty dry here for the next 10 days. And pretty warm. You can see the one day coming off the GFS Saturday with a high back in the 70s. But other than that, highs stay mostly in the 80s on through the end of next week. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.